Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Montgomery County Commissioner Joe Gale. As today is April 15th, a day that is traditionally known and dreaded as Tax Day, it is appropriate that I share some information about tax deadline extensions that are designed to provide some financial relief to individuals and businesses. Last month, the IRS announced that the new federal personal income tax filing deadline has been pushed back 3 months to July 15th, 2020. Recently, the IRS expanded this extension to include additional returns and tax payments. As a result, the extensions generally now apply to all taxpayers that have a filing or payment deadline falling on or after April 1st, 2020 and before July 15th, 2020. This means that individuals, trusts, estates, corporations, and other non-corporate tax filers qualify for extra time. Additionally, individual taxpayers and businesses who need additional time to file beyond the July 15, 2020 deadline can request an extension to October 15, 2020 by filing a form that can be found on irs.gov website. Individuals would use Form 4868 and businesses would use Form 7004 to request an additional extension. The IRS notes that an extension to file is not an extension to pay any taxes owed. Taxpayers requesting additional time to file should still estimate their tax liability and pay any taxes owed by the July 15, 2020 deadline to avoid additional interest and penalties. Also, any individual or corporation that has quarterly estimated tax payment due on or after April 1, 2020 and before July 15, 2020, can wait until July 15th to make that payment without penalty. That was information from the IRS regarding your federal income tax filings. I also have some information from the Pennsylvania Department of Revenue regarding your state taxes. Pennsylvania has also extended the deadline to file state personal income tax returns to July 15, 2020. The July 15, 2020 deadline also applies to information returns filed by Pennsylvania S corporations, partnerships, and estates and trusts. Pennsylvania corporations and tax returns typically due in May have been granted an extension to August 14, 2020. The Pennsylvania Department of Revenue has also removed the requirement for some businesses to make prepayments of sales and use taxes for the month of April, May, and June of 2020. However, many larger businesses are still required to make sales and use tax payments as normal. If tax filing deadlines are further extended or other relief measures are enacted, I will let you know.